Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajni. Through this channel, I will be teaching you mathematics. I completed my bachelor's in statistics, computer science, mathematics from Punjabi University, Patiala, India in 2014, followed by masters in statistics from Punjab University, Chandigarh, India in 2016. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor at a college in Punjab. I have taught mathematics to around 600 students in Punjab as well as CBSE board all the way to BSc level. While teaching these students, I observed that they find mathematics to a difficult subject because of weak foundation. They struggle to understand the concept and are not aware of applications of mathematics. So I think this online lecture series will help these kinds of students to build a better foundation in mathematics. I will start from 11th standard mathematics and will focus on building the concepts with a few examples. In the next video, I will talk about complex numbers. I hope you will like learning mathematics with me. Like and share this video, and if you have any questions, please write them in comment section. For more videos and updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.